Having served as an officer in the United States Army in the late 70s and early 80s, it was always about anticipation and looking ahead and being prepared for the next move. In real estate, it's no different. I'm always thinking, are we doing the best we can to serve our clients' needs? Have we thought and anticipated everything that comes up with a move? Are we truly taking care of the client? It's those details that matter in real estate. At the Eisenhard Group, our motto is simple, where caring for clients takes on a whole new meaning. What does that mean to us? It's defined in our core values of building relationships, exemplary service, being knowledgeable, educating our clients, being trustworthy, responsive, and always having a positive attitude no matter what happens.
One of our core values at the Eisenhard Group is education. Education runs deep in our family. We sell real estate every day, and we know that this is one of the biggest financial decisions our clients will ever make. So we want to make sure that they feel educated throughout the buying and selling process with our team.
I think the most rewarding part of this business is watching a first-time home buyer sign their documents and hear the excitement in their voice at the closing table. That's a special moment that I never want to forget. When you work with our team, you're getting over 85 years of real estate knowledge and experience. Our goal as a team is to make every client feel like they are our only client. There's nothing more gratifying than business referred to us from a past client, and we think there's a reason why 99% of our business comes from referrals. It's the way we genuinely care about our clients. We aren't only invested in the transaction, we're invested in their lives. We get to know each client, their children, their pets, and their families. We want to be their realtors for life. We have fun, they become like family, and we want them to know that we have done our very best to meet their every need. I'm Beth Eisenhard with the Eisenhard Group of Long & Foster, where caring for clients takes on a whole new meaning.